Hey everybody, welcome to this new video Express. In today's tutorial, I'll take a look into how we can sell, how we can just import subscriptions into our Shopify. How we can enable this. Actually, it's really simple. As you can see, I have a few products here, but I wanted to, let's say, add some subscriptions into my actual Shopify. So I'm going to go into the products inside my Shopify store. I'm going to hit into add products. And here, what I want to do is to, let's say, for example, let's go for subscription tier 1. And here I'm going to type this is just an example. Now into the media, I'm going to add like a symbol or whatever you want to, only to tell people that this is like level number 1 of my subscription, right? So which in my case is this one. Now let's say that the price of my subscription is $12. So the inventory should be, I'm going to go into track quantity because I want to, instead of going with physical product, just focus into digital product or service. Now I'm gonna locate into the upper side. Let's go for save. So lastly really important is to just specify this is an only one-time payment. Let's go for 3 months subscription and hit into save. If I want to make it recurrent so multi-subscription, instead of doing this from the products, I'm going to do this from an actual application. And to do that is to go directly into my applications. Here I'm going to go into Apps Sales Channel Settings, focus into Shopify App Store, and inside in here, just look here into the keywords of subscription. So I click it. And as you can see, we have a bunch of results that we can choose. What I can suggest you is to focus into a one that has a free plan available and really great amount of downloadable stuff. For example, we have the sales, subscription, and loyalty free plan available and 700 and reviews. And here we have absolute subscriptions, and this one has like more than 2,001. So I think this one should be really helpful. All of them actually works pretty much the same since they are applications from Shopify, but they actually come from different people that actually create those applications. You want to make sure that you have a free version. You don't want to pay absolutely for anything because we want to have access to all of this with the plan that we're currently paying into Shopify. We don't want to pay more than we are paying right now. So once you install the application inside Shopify, what is left to be done is just to add the elements that you want to get charged for. For example, here into this two app still subscriptions, I have the pricing plan trail for your Shopify store, schedule a demo call. I have the monthly and annual, so let's go for the free version. And there we go. So now what is left to be done is just to add the different tiers that I can add here. So I can go into configure description, which is on your theme. So let's go and click here. I click here to activate the in-beam blocked. I go into the editor section of my Shopify. I enable this subscription. I hit into save. I go back. And now that I have just enabled that, I want to get started with the plan subscription. To the plan name, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Let's go for tier number 1. Let's say, for example, I'm going to scroll a little bit down and choose the subscription. Should be, let's say, frequency plan name. Let's go for 1 month. Pay as you go. Auto renew, really important. Frequency plan. You are gonna get auto renewal monthly. Order frequency every 30 days. Show advanced options if you wanted to. And then later on, I'm gonna scroll all my way down up and hit into save. If you go into the dashboard of your application, here it should be appearing how many people have just signed in, how many people are checking out your actual products, how many people subscribing it. And actually it's not that hard to use it. I believe that it's more faster and easier to do this manually from your products, and you have like one-time payment, but that's totally up to you guys. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hopefully this was very useful for you, and well, hopefully I can see you on this next video. See you soon.